right, it's the last video for lesson 18, and you can see on the board I have 7 and 2/10. So 7 times 2/10, if we thought about it as fractions, we could say 7 over 1 times 2/10. Oops, how did it get all the way down there? Not sure. Times 2/10, and then we multiply straight across. 7 times 2 is 14. 14/10, and we know that's an improper fraction, or we could think about it in tenths, right? So we could change it from an improper fraction. We could say 10 tenths and 4/10, so that would be 1 and 4/10, right? So we could also think about multiplying 7 times 2/10. That would give us 14/10. So think about 14/10, and then that would be 1 and 4/10 because the 4 is in the tenths place, right? So 1 and 4/10 is the same as 14/10. Okay, what about 7 times 2/100? Yeah, same thing. Think about it with fractions. 7 over 1. Don't know why everything's jumping around today. 7 over 1, because it's a whole number, times 2/100, right? So that would be 7 times 2 is 14. 100 times 1 is 100. 14/100. Okay, so not an improper fraction, right? 14/100. Let's think about if we're looking at times decimals, 14/100, right? So how do we write 14/100? Okay, do you see how it works? Look on page 165 in your book. It looks like this. Okay, go to page 165. If you need to pause the video to do that, you can. All right, and you see this, and you see that we have the question, 4/10 times 6/10. Then we have the fraction form, 4/10 times 6/10 is 24/100. Then we have the unit form, 4/10 times 6/10 is 24/100. And then we have the standard form. Hopefully we're starting to understand that standard form is the numerical form, the numbers. So 4/10 times 6/10 is 24/100. Okay, let's do the next one, 2/10 times 3/10. So go ahead and write that in your book. 2/10 times 3/10, and you're going to multiply straight across. You can go a little bit faster than me, maybe. 2 times 3, and I ran out of room, so I'm just going to put it over here, but hopefully you can fit yours. 2 times 3 is 6, and 10 times 10 is 100. So that would be 6/100. Then we're going to write it in unit form, 2/10, and I'm just going to put a T, but you go ahead and write tenths, it's right there, times 3/10. Okay, make sure you write tenths, equals 6/100, right? Just like how we have here, 6/100. Please write out hundredths. 2/10 times 6/10 equals, 2/10 times 3/10 equals 6/100. Okay, do you see how it works? All right, if you need to pause it to write these down, you can certainly do that, but we're going to go ahead to the next page. Well, the rest of your page, which is on the next page for me. And I think the next one, yeah, 7/100 times 9/10. So you're going to write it in fraction form, in unit form, and in standard form. And so when you come for your mastery check, make sure that you have that done. And if you need any help with that, I'll be happy to help you. Maybe someone else in your class will too. All right, so we're ready for our last part of the joke. I think it actually finished on the last one, but that's okay. Let's rewind a little bit. Oh, we got ducks wake up. Quack of dawn. Oh, Meant to. Okay, well, why couldn't the astronaut get a hotel? Because the moon was full. It was full. Yeah. All right. Thanks, everybody. Do good work. Bye.